Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PCSN. So really quick video, what kind of limitations in SharePoint Online do people run into? So we know there's a certain limitation on how many total items you can have. Of course, there's limitation on storage, how many gigs of data you can have, which you can always pay for more storage, right? The one thing that I see a lot of people run into is they might have, 6-7 terabytes of data because they're paying for the additional storage, but they run into a problem with the 30 million item limit that you cannot buy. So in a list, if you have 30 million items, these are files, folders, individual items, you're done. You're gonna start to have problems. So that's the most common limitation I see people running into. Most of the other stuff can be worked around. Storage, you can always pay more, but that one thing, the item limit, that's a hard no. So what do you do in that situation? If you are running into the 30 million files/folders limit, the only option would be, or the best option would be, to migrate to Azure File Shares and connect it to a machine in Azure. So that way your users, they will log into this Azure machine and use these files from there. It will be very fast. You don't even have to sync them because it's right there. It's all in one data center with 10G connectivity. So very fast connection. Don't have to worry about sync. And the best part is there is never going to be an issue where there are conflicts because there are not going to be any syncs going on. So think of it like your own personal file server in the cloud. So here's what happens. Small companies, as they get bigger, they move all their data into SharePoint because they want team collaboration. And then when they get really big, they move back into their own server, but their own server in the cloud. And that seems to we have yet to see a customer hit the upper limit on that. That works fine. You can scale it to enterprise levels. I mean, we're talking about Exxon, Shell type levels, right? So a lot of capacity and options there. So that was it. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like. It helps us out. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So until next time, everybody have a great day.